Welcome friends. Today in this live stream we will be building a WAV to OGG audio converter kind of a application inside Node.js and Express, and we will be using FFMPG. So if you know a WAV file, WAV file, if you just search on Google, WAV is kind of a audio file which you uh, listen songs to. So WAV is a very popular kind of a format, waveform audio file. This is its full form. So we will be converting this to OGG format. So OGG is again an audio format. So basically we will be compressing the WAV file and converting to a OGG file. So this we can do it using a library called as FFmpeg. If you just type on Google, this is its official documentation, and you just need to download this for a particular. This is open source software, so you can download it on Linux, Windows, and Apple machine. So we will be converting this, building this. Let me just write it in the comment. Wave, sorry, Wave to OGG audio converter. So basically the size of this wave file is large, so that is why we need to compress this to a OGG file. So after you install FFmpeg, make sure that you have this software available. So you can go to command line and simply you can type here FFmpeg. FFmpeg if you type here. So if you enter the command here, if the command is successful, then this will be coming here, FFmpeg version. So now you have successfully installed it. So there is a certain kind of a filter which we will use here in this scenario in order to convert the WAV file into a audio file. So the filter name is very simple, which is LIBVORSE, Libvorbis filter. So we will be using this filter to convert the or compress the WAV audio file to OGG audio file. So the command is very simple. I have also given the link in the video description of my blog post where I have written this complete step-by-step instruction. So let me now show you that command which is there. Let me move on to my directory structure where the actual media files are there. You will see this is a sample file here. This is a kind of a WAV file. This is a WAV file. You can see that this is the audio file. So it is 1 megabyte in size and it is 33 seconds long. So we will be compressing it to a OGG file so that the size is pretty low. So now to do this, it is pretty simple. There is a command out there. This is the command that you can see on your screen, FFmpeg. Then we provide the input argument, which is, in this case, we have this file, which is sample. So here we will change the file name, which will be sample.wav. And then we provide -c :a, and then this filter name, which is libvorbis -qscale _a to 3, then the output file name, which is output.ogg. So if you just enter this, now this will create this instantly. Now the size difference you may notice here, the resultant file size is 125 kilobytes. So we have considerably reduced the size of the audio file from 1 MB to 126 kilobytes, and still the quality remains the same and the length remains the same. So this is the tool FFmpeg that we have used in this tutorial to convert the stuff out there. So you will see that we are doing it on the command line. So if you want to do it, you should have FFmpeg software installed on your machine. So as I already told you, this is the open source software. Anybody can use this software. Just go to its official website and you will find the instruction to download this. So if you are working on Windows, it is pretty easy. Click the download button, click the Windows here, click it, and then you will find this Windows builds. So click on this version, and then you will see all the builds version out there. You will see that. You can download any of these, or you can go to the second option. From here, you can, depending upon your operating system, you can download the FFmpeg software. After installing it, just move to the directory where the files are present and simply invoke this command, which is simple ffmpeg-i, and we are using this filter Libvorbis scale A3. So now we simply need to uh, convert this to a Node.js application where we can convert this file. Abhay Singh is asking hi. Hi Abhay Singh. So anybody listening it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. And let me now create this, go to my projects directory and create a new file, make a new directory which is wave to OGG. So I will move to this directory. So first of all, guys, what we need to do is that we need to install Express, npm express, and then that's it. And also Malter dependency, which will let you upload the files inside our Express server. So install these two dependencies and we are ready to go. So install these two dependencies. So once it is installed, we can go to it. You can see the dependencies are installed now. So we simply need to, so we can say here, before that I forgot to invoke the package.json file npm init -y. So this is our package.json file, guys. You will see that this contains the basic information about the project, which is name, version, description. And now we need to make index.js file. And right here we need to again install our packages, which is npm express and Malter. So now you can see the packages have been installed, which is express and Malter. And now we simply need to make a simple express app. So we need to require it express and just make express app here, app dot listen. We will listen on a port number 5000, and here we will say console log app is listening on port 5000. So you will see that we are listening a app here. So now we need to set the view engine, which is view engine EJS, and then we will say app.get. So when we open the home page, we simply need to show the template, which is index, and we will make views folder, and inside this we will create index.ejs. So here we will say wave to OGG audio converter. So if you are watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. And here, guys, first of all, what we need to do is that we need to create a new form here. So we will say form. The action will go to this wave to OGG. And since basically we are submitting files here, we also need a method which will be post here, method post. And also the third parameter we don't do need to provide here, as we are working with media files, encoding type. So this will be multi-part form data. And inside this, we will have the input type of file. So here the name attribute remains most important. So you need to give it the name attribute, which will be file. You can give it anything of your choice. And we will only accept here dot wave files. That's it. And this should be required. That's it. Now we will have a simple button, input type submit. The value will be convert to OGG. That's it. So this is a post request we do need to make. If I run this application at port number 5000, nodemon index.js, you will see app is listening on port 5000. So here what we need to do is that, guys, we will go to our local host 5000, and you will see this is our simple app here. So here we will say click choose button and only wave files will be there. You will see VLC players. If I go to videos, you will see this sample wave file is there. So if I click this button, please select a file. This is all because of this validation here, which is required. Now we will make this post request. So simply we will say app.post wave to OGG. And right here, guys, first of all, we do need to upload the file which is coming from the HTML. So now to upload the file, we need to thus require the Malter dependency, which is used to upload files. And also, guys, we need to make a public slash inside this. We will have the uploads folder. So public and upload. So here we will store all the files which are uploaded. To make the static folder, we will say app.use, and then we will say express.static, and here we will pass the path, which is simply public slash uploads. So this line you need to write because to just make this folder structure as static. So here we will store all the files which are uploaded. So after doing this, guys, what we need to do is that we need to initialize our storage inside our Malter. So we will use the dist storage method in Malter. So if you just see here, if you see the documentation, get extension name Malter. If you just type this here, you will get this reference, which this answer will give you. So I will just copy this. So this storage will be ready here like this. So now we simply need to provide the path here, which is public slash uploads. So then it will also give the file name automatically. Every time the file is uploaded, it has its own unique name by using date.now. And we will extract the extension from the original name of the file. After that, we will initialize Malter, sorry, upload, initialize Malter and pass this storage to storage. That's it. And for now, we will only be uploading single files. So we will have the single method. And here we need to pass the name attribute which we have given. You can see file. So I will pass file here. That's it. So when we make this post request, so we will upload this and upload request response. And if any sort of error take place, we will check it and console log it. If no error take place, then we can console log the file path. So if I refresh the application and restart the application, can you actually do freelancing and make money? Is it good for long-term career growth? Yeah, in my opinion, freelancing is pretty good. So you can do freelancing in comparison to this making YouTube videos and blogging as well. So freelancing is also a great option. So if I just upload a file here, guys, if let me upload this file, click this. So it is saying that path is not defined because we need to include this path module, which is a built-in dependency. Require path. Click. And now you will see the file is uploaded and the path is showing you in the command line. If I check here, this is a file which is uploaded here. You can see that. Now we simply need to convert this file to OGG format, and we can do it very simply. We have seen the command earlier how to do this. This is a command here, FFMPEG-I. So we just need to execute this command programmatically in Node.js. So this is very easy. Let me just show you how to do this. So if you're new to the channel, guys, if you haven't already hit the like button, please hit the like button and also subscribe the channel. So this process will be pretty easy how to do this. So if you see this, we will include the execute method from the child process module. So basically, if you want to execute any command line from the Node.js application, you will use this child process module. So this is already available inside Node.js, so you don't need to install it from third party. And right here, we will make use of this execute function. And here we will say ffmpeg-i followed by the input file name, which is request.file.path. And then we will simply write this command here. If you can see that -c colon a. After this, we have this filter, which is libvorbis libvorbis -q scale. So this is all FFmpeg commands, guys. It can be difficult to understand, but you just need to write here. After that, it is colon a, and followed by the level of compression that you need to apply. So we will apply a third level compression. After that, output file name. This will be, we will provide it dynamically output file name. So we will construct it right here at the top. So this will be date.now output dot ogg. That's it. So after this, guys, this also provides the callback function if any sort of error take place, standard error and standard output. So if any sort of error take place, then we can console log it. In the else block, we can simply say the conversion is successful. And now let me execute this. So it will already restart it. Let me restart the server. So it is saying conversion is successful. So now you can see it has made this OGG file here. You can see in the root directory. And let me show to you once more. If I delete this, so now nothing is there. We go to the form here. So let me go to the form here. And what are we coding? Someone is asking here. So basically we are developing an application where we are converting the WAV audio files. If you have seen the WAV audio file, so this is a very popular audio format in the internet where you listen song here. So they have a very large size. So we will be compressing this to a different format which will be OGG. So we are developing this WAV to OGG converter kind of a application using a open source software which is FFMPEG. So this is the application we are developing here. And now let me test out this application, which is localhost 5000. If I choose that same file, sample.wav file, click convert to OGG. So now you will see conversion is successful and this file is ready here, you will see. So instead of doing this, we also need to download the file at a attachment, download the OGG file as attachment. So basically this is kind of a tool website that we are developing by simply converting the WAV files and compressing them to OGG. So we can use the response.download method, and here we will pass our output file path which we have configured. Output, we can see that output file name, and once it is completed we can say file downloaded. So if you now refresh it, choose the file, convert to OGG, and now your file will be downloaded. You can play it inside your audio player. So I will not play it because for the copyright issue. But you can just see the process how this is laying out. And if I just show you, you can see the size difference here. It is only 126 kilobytes, but the original file, if I show you, it is round about 1 megabyte, and it is reduced up to 126 kilobyte. So you can just see the level of compressions that we have achieved using FFmpeg library for free. So we have not used any sort of paid tool for doing this. Bro, combine two videos into one. I tried a bunch of codes, but the second video has no sound. Okay, bro. So if you want to merge videos inside FFmpeg, it is very easy. So we have a very, let me show you a way by which you can merge two videos. Let me record from my OBS Studio here. Click stop. Let me record this video here. This is first video. Let me recording it. So you can see I'm recording one video here. Let me stop it. So basically it has constructed one video. This is the first video. So it contains almost 10 seconds. Let me record one other video to merge it to a third video. So I'm recording the second video here using OBS Studio. So just wait. Let me stop it. So now you can see we have two videos. First contains 10 seconds and second one contains also 10 seconds. So now basically guys, you can see the extension which is MKV. This is valid for any extension. So what you need to do is that inside FFmpeg, just create a new text document and rename this to anything. I will rename it to file. And here you just need to write here file followed by your file name. Let me just make it 1 and this one to 2. So we will say simply here file dash 1 dash mkv and then file dash 2 dash mkv. So we are just written here file space the name of the first file which is 1.mkv and again file space the name of the second file which is 2.mkv. So simply save this file and close it. And now to just merge this, we will make a write a simple command here. So this command is also available if you just search on Google. So which library are you using? I am using the FFmpeg library, which is a open source library for audio and video processing. So if you just say FFmpeg merge videos, simply you will see this result here, which is Stack Overflow result, the number one result. You will see this command here. Simply copy this command and paste it inside your command line. So basically ffmpeg dash f, it is using the concat filter dash save 0 dash I, and then followed by your txt file name. So I will change this to file.txt, and you can change the resultant video extension. You can change this to mp4, mkv, any extension of your choice. So let's suppose I change this to avi. So now you can see it is combining these two files. So now the files have been compiled. You can see this is the third file, which is containing 20 seconds. If I play this, so you can just see the quality. The quality has not gone down. The quality is remaining the same of the video. So we have successfully combined two videos into one, using FFmpeg. So that was your question. So you can do it like this. It's a very handy way, handy library. You can do it anything of your choice. You just need to have some commands out there. So in this way you can just merge it. And the nice thing about it, you can see that we have constructed this application, which is a WAV to OGG converter. If you just search on Google, a WAV to OGG converter, so various tools will come here. You will see WAV to OGG. So this also does the same thing. It converts WAV to OGG. If I choose my file, which is sample, click convert, you will see it will also do the same thing. It will converting it. So just wait. So it is saying, you can see again it is the file size, you will see that 126 kilobyte. So this is a thing about OGG files, because they will reduce your audio file considerably. And I can also deploy this tool live on the website freemediatools.com. If you want to, you will see this is my tool website, which I run on VPS storage here. This is live here. You will see that. If you search here, I don't have this tool, which is Wave to OGG. So let's suppose I wanted to deploy this on my website. I can deploy this. So simply I will say I can use a tool called as putty tool, and here we can, in the video description I will share the source code of this application. So make sure that you go to my blog post. Let me write this blog post here. Coding Shiksha WP admin. This is the blog post. Let me write it. In the post section, let me give a title, Node Express. Audio converter. Libvorbis filter. So first of all, we need to initialize package.json, then we will install express EJS, sorry, Malta dependency. So after that, I will share this code here, which is inside index.js. Let me paste this. So I will paste it here. After that, I will also so just create an index.html in the root directory and paste this code. So this is just a HTML form. So this is all the source code that you will need. And make sure that you just make a folder called public, and inside this make a uploads folder, so which will store the uploaded files. So let me publish this blog post, and the link will be there inside video description. So you can see the blog post is published here. Let me copy link addressed, and just inside this stream I will you have this section. So in the description I will paste the code. So if you want the source code, you can go to this blog post and copy paste the source code. So now we can deploy this tool on my website, guys. So we will provide the domain name, which is freemediatools.com. So this is my VPS server. So I will log in into root. I will provide the password. So after login here, we will just cd into my directory, which is freemediatools.com. So here there is a program called as FileZilla. So we will convert, this is the FTP program which connects to your freemediatools.com root and then password, and the port is 22. So now we have our all the files. You can see it is retrieving it. So this is my files, freemediatools.com. So now here I will open the index.js file. I will go to the views folder, and here I will create a new file which will be wave to ogg.ejs. So this is a template I need to copy paste here. So I will copy paste it right here. So basically here we will just change the title. So wave to OGG audio converter. So this will only accept wave files. So here we will say download OGG audio file. So here we will only check for if the file is not WAV file, then we will say that please only upload, please upload a WAV file. That's it. So now we will change the post request, which will be upload video to MP3. So here we will say, if I see, let me switch to index.js. So now to upload a audio file, we will make a post request to this route. So I will copy this route. So this is just my structure of the application, guys. So don't get confused by this really big code. So in this tutorial, I am just showing you how to deploy it. So I will just change this post request to this route. After this, I think we need to do this route, sorry. And after that, we will say wave to OGG. So now we need to go to our index route, and we do need to write this route. So simply we can copy this from this code that we have written. So simply I will copy paste this, go to index file and paste this code. So we don't need to download this here. Instead, we just need to return this using response.json, because we will be downloading it at the client side. So we just need to initialize here path is equal to output file name. And also we don't need to do like this. Uploading part is over. So we will just delete this. Let me delete this. So let me copy paste it once again. So the uploading part is already done. So that is why we don't need to include that. So I think now the application is complete here, and we just need to write a get request here. So we will copy a get request. So the route will be simply wave to OGG. So here we will say we need to load the template, which is wave to OGG, and we will say free wave to OGG audio converter online tool, free media tools. That's it. So simply save this file, and now we need to go to our services folder and go to partials and add a menu item. So guys, if you are watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button. So this is my services folder. So at the very bottom, we will add a new service which will be called as wave to OGG. So this I will change to 3 wave to OGG audio converter. So the URL will change to wave to OGG. Save it, and now to make the changes reflect, we need to stop the application and restart it. So pm to stop index.js. So now the application is restarted. So I can check here. So simply I will go to the route here, which is simply free media tools, my website. So you will see at the bottom a new service will be added here, which will be wave to OGG audio converter. If I click it, this is the interface. So if I choose file, if I try to upload this sample.wave, so this will be a progress bar. File uploaded, now processing. It is saying upload successful, undefined. Let me see the problem, what problem it is there. Wave to OGG, and we are making a AJAX request. So here we are passing the path. Wave to OGG. So this is a post request. Let me see the problem here. Sorry, this needs to be request.body, not request.file. So request.body.path, because we are fetching it from the request. So request.body.path, and rest of the options remain the same. Now it will work. Simply save it. And whenever you make changes to the JavaScript code, you need to restart the application. So again, we need to write pm to stop pm to start index.js. So it has restarted it. So let me just refresh this application. So let me select, click. It is saying upload successful but undefined. Let me see why it is showing that. So basically, if I check this index file, you will see that we are checking wave to OGG. Sorry, let me see. If I make a request error here, wave to OGG. So let me do it the other way, guys. So what we can do is that we can copy paste this post request right here. Just wait, guys. I'm just looking at the error why it is happening. If I check my this file, which is index file, let me stop it this server here, and sorry, pm2 stop index.js, and we'll start it like this: node index.js. And guys, if I start this application here, try to run this and click sample. So it is uploading. So it is saying that this error is coming, no such file or directory. Let me see. Sorry, it is saying undefined. The input file name cannot be. So why it is showing undefined? Let me see. Because inside index.js we are saying request dot. Oh, sorry. This needs to be request dot request dot body dot path. So whenever we calling this wave to OGG, let me print it. Console log data dot path. So basically, if I search this route, which is upload audio converter, so basically you will see audio converter. Let me see the extensions. Which are the extensions supported by this? Let me again refresh this, guys, and try to run this application again. So if you are watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So here I am just deploying this application that we have built successfully, which is Wave to OGG converter. So let me refresh this node index.js. So again refresh it, try to upload this. If you just inspect element, go to console. So data dot path. What we can do for this application, guys? So wave to OGG. So if you have any sort of question, guys, you can ask in the comment section. I will try to reply to it. So if you enjoy this video, so then please hit the like button. Only 8 likes have been made. And if any sort of question you have related to programming, you can ask in the comment section. I would like to continue this series, just making more and more converters using FFMPG, so that in the next stream I would be doing a converter something like this. If I type here FFmpeg gif to any of the converters, you can just say me which converter. I will say gif to WP. This will be a great converter which will be there. So if you have any sort of question, guys, you can ask in the comment section. I will try to reply to those questions. And analytics, you if you want to see my analytics, you can see the analytics of the website. Live analytics, 15 visitors are there on the website, and every time it is increasing day by day. So make sure that you do the just comment which videos you want to see, if it is esoic or if it is blogging or it is a mixture. So just tell me in the comment section if you want to see programming videos or blogging kind of videos, or this live stream. Is the live stream good or bad? Can you just tell me in the comment section? So 3 people are watching it. 8 likes have been made to the. You can see that it is increasing day by day. 17 visitors are there. So this is my real time of YouTube channel. You will see coding Shiksha. You will see as I am doing live stream more and more. So the impressions are increasing daily. So that is why you are seeing the real time also increases of YouTube. So I get a feeling that live streams are very much important as compared to regular videos, because regular videos doesn't get the watch time that this live stream videos get. So that is why I get a feeling that live stream videos are pretty good as compared to. So guys, if you haven't already hidden the like button, please hit the like button. And in the future videos, I will be making more and more videos on FFmpeg library. So I would like to teach you more about this library, because very few videos are available, and on the blog also very few articles are written on this very famous library. So definitely I want to enlighten you about this library more and more. So thanks very much for watching this stream.